Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Epson ET-5850 EcoTank printer won't connect to Wi-Fi or keeps dropping the connection, don't worry. This is one of the most common issues with this printer, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through every fix, starting with the easiest one. Stick around till the end because the last fix solves it for almost everyone. Let's get into it. Before we dive into settings, let's rule out the obvious stuff. First, is your Wi-Fi actually working? Test it on your phone. Second, and this trips up so many people, the ET-5850 only works on 2.4 GHz networks. If you have a router that broadcasts one combined network name for both 2.4 and 5 GHz, the printer might be trying to connect to the wrong band. And third, just do a simple power cycle. Turn off the printer, unplug your router for 30 seconds, plug it back in, then power the printer back on. Now let's get some real data. On the printer screen, tap the settings gear icon, go to Network Settings, then Wi-Fi Setup, and select Check Connection. This prints out a report showing your signal strength and any error codes. And this is key because different error codes mean different problems. Pause the video and check yours against the code list in the description. If there's no report or you just want to start fresh, here's how to manually reconnect. Go to Settings, Network Settings, Wi-Fi Setup, Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Select your network from the list and make sure it's the 2.4 GHz version if your router shows 2. Type in your password carefully. It's case sensitive, so double-check capital letters. Hit confirm and give it a few seconds to connect. If that doesn't work, try WPS if your router supports it. Go to Settings, Network Settings, Wi-Fi Setup, Push Button Setup. Then press the WPS button on your router within 2 minutes. This skips the whole password step entirely. Okay, if none of that worked, here's the fix that solves it for most people: a full network reset. Go to Settings, Network Settings, Reset Network Settings. Confirm it, and then redo the Wi-Fi Setup Wizard from scratch like we did in Step 3. This clears out any corrupted network data that's been silently causing the issue. If you're still stuck after all this, check these 3 things. 1. Is MAC filtering turned on in your router? If so, you'll need to whitelist the printer's MAC address. It's on that network report we printed earlier. 2. Did you recently change your Wi-Fi password without updating it on the printer? 3. Is your router's firmware outdated? Sometimes a router update fixes handshake issues with printers. That's every fix I know for the Epson ET-5850 Wi-Fi connection problem. If this helped you, drop a like and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. It really helps other people troubleshooting the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.